Hey guys, welcome back to SRE Customs. I got kind of a neat, I was messing around with this raminator engine, and I got my the new reed cage mounted. I'll let you guys take a look at that, see how that looks. That's the bottom. You can see the full circle crankshaft in there now with the knife edged rod. But what caught my attention, now my buddy KT had told me a while ago that there was a chainsaw cylinder that has the same bolt pattern here as this CAG engine does, okay? So I was looking through my stuff and I came across this, because I used to port a lot of chainsaws, and I come across this cylinder. This is from G6200 China remake of a Husqvarna. So I was looking at it. Here's the base gasket for that cylinder. Now let me show you something kind of neat. So here's our engine that we're working on, our raminator engine. And you put this up here, and Lord and behold, the bolt holes are perfect. Yes, there's a little material we could take out of the case to match the cylinder, but wow. Here's the piston. Let me show you the piston. Here's the piston for that. It's a dead flat top. And here's the piston for the engine that we're working on. Wow. Talk about a displacement increase, huh? Believe it or not, wrist compression height of the piston seems to be very close. Nothing that we couldn't adjust for. So now I'm at a new dilemma. What do you guys think? Leave down in the comments. Do I continue to run the original cylinder that I mod up like everyone else, or do I switch to this cylinder and see what happens there? It's up to you guys. Exhaust port is way bigger. This exhaust port is the same as on a Scopod. So I mean, the exhaust port volume really means a ton on a two-stroke, and this thing is easily a third bigger again than the ported version. I mean, it's no comparison. So hit me in the comments, guys. Let me know what you think you would do. I'll be waiting to hear, because I'm only going to do what you guys think will sell, or think what you guys would buy. All right. This is SRE. I'm out.